Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaylee Kincaid for those of you that are new here. Thanks for watching this video today. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to deep clean your shower using eco-friendly products, of course. So if that interests you, stick around. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment so that I can know what kind of content y'all want to see. Here comes my dog, Solomon. You can hear his clicking. Hi, baby. If you so choose, please hit that red subscribe button to support my channel. I would be eternally grateful. Thanks so much, and let's get started.
For this clean, you will need your Sal Suds spray, a scrub brush, microfiber rags, and baking soda. Step 1 is to spray everything in your shower down, the walls, and the door, really getting in all the cracks and crevices to loosen up all of that mold and soap scum. Step 2, you'll wipe down your shower door first if you have one with a dry microfiber rag, continually turning it to use a dry side. Step 3, spray everything down again and then scrub all of your grout with a scrub brush. You're going to really want to get in all of those cracks and crevices and loosen up all of that mold and dirt, and soap scum so that you can wipe it off later. After all of that's loosened up, step 4 is to spray again and then wipe your walls with your microfiber rag, starting at the top and pushing everything towards the bottom. You can also re-wipe your grout lines with your microfiber rag. And step 5 is the bottom of the shower. You're going to sprinkle your baking soda and then spray it down with Sal Suds. Use your scrub brush to scrub everything loose and then wipe everything from the furthest point away from you towards you so that you can scoop out all of the hair and dirt and it's all in one spot.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button if you want to support my channel. And you can follow me on Instagram for some more tips and tricks and some fun stuff. Hope you guys have a great day and happy cleaning.